Do you ever wonder how machines communicate? How does your coffee maker know when to stop pouring water? The answer is Profibus. Profibus is a standard for field bus communication in automation technology. It's like a universal language that machines use to talk to each other. First promoted back in 1989 by the German Department of Education and Research and later adopted by Siemens, Profibus has become a cornerstone of modern automation. So, how does this Profibus work, you might wonder? Stay tuned to find out. Profibus operates on a simple yet effective principle. It works like a language for machines, allowing them to talk to each other. Think of it as a universal translator, but for machines, devices, and systems. This communication platform, called a field bus, is a digital highway where information zips back and forth between the devices. Now, how does Profibus manage to do this? It's all about the language it uses. Just like we humans converse in different languages, machines also have their own language, which is binary code. Profibus uses this binary language to send and receive data. It takes the information from one device, translates it into binary code, and sends it to another device over the Profibus network. The data isn't just thrown around haphazardly, mind you. It's transmitted in a structured, organized manner. Each piece of data is packaged into a frame, like an envelope, which contains the address of the device it's intended for. When the recipient device receives this frame, it unpacks the data and puts it to use. Now let's talk about the master and slave devices. In a Profibus network, there are two kinds of devices, masters and slaves. Masters are the controllers. They're the ones who initiate communication, give orders, and make decisions. Slaves, on the other hand, are devices that follow orders. They don't initiate communication. They respond to the master's requests. So, if a master wants to know the temperature in a specific part of a factory, it sends a request to a temperature sensor, a slave device, which then sends back the required data. It's a clever system of hierarchy that ensures a smooth flow of data and prevents any communication chaos. It's like a well-orchestrated symphony where each instrument knows when to play and when to stay silent, all under the conductor's watchful eye. So, in essence, Profibus helps machines to understand each other and perform tasks efficiently. It's a digital language that ensures seamless and efficient communication among different devices and systems, helping them to work together in harmony. Now that we have a basic understanding of how Profibus works, it's time to delve a bit deeper. Profibus, in its essence, comes in two distinct flavors, each designed to cater to specific needs. Firstly, we have Profibus DP, short for Decentralized Periphery. This is the go-to for high-speed communication between control systems and distributed I/O at the device level. It's the sprinter of the duo, enabling rapid data exchange. Then there's Profibus PA, standing for Process Automation, the marathon runner. This version is utilized for process automation tasks. It's designed for endurance, delivering reliable, long-term performance in complex environments. These two types of Profibus aren't just different in name, they're designed to enable different functionalities, each addressing a unique set of requirements. From high-speed data transfer to robust process control, they've got it covered. Whether it's controlling your coffee maker or running a complex industrial process, Profibus makes it happen. We've come a long way in understanding Profibus, haven't we? From its conception to its operation, we've delved into the nitty-gritty of this fantastic communication protocol. Let's take a moment to recap the key aspects. Profibus stands as a champion in the field of automation technology, providing a platform for devices to communicate efficiently. It's the backbone of many automation systems, ensuring smooth operation with minimal human intervention. Remember how we discussed the mechanics of Profibus? It operates on a master-slave configuration, where the master devices control the communication while the slave devices respond. This setup is crucial for maintaining order and efficiency in communication. We also identified the different types of Profibus, namely Profibus DP and Profibus PA. Profibus DP is designed for high-speed communication between automation systems and distributed peripherals. On the other hand, Profibus PA, with its focus on process automation, integrates field devices into the system. Why is Profibus so vital in automation technology? It's simple. Profibus optimizes communication, reduces errors, and enhances overall system efficiency. It's the silent operator behind many of our daily conveniences, from production lines in factories to home appliances. Profibus, the unsung hero of automation, continues to run our machines seamlessly. Next time your coffee maker pours the perfect cup, remember the magic of Profibus.